Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Hinge dating app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge dating application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging in, you will be shown various different profiles that you can directly start matching with. Now, from the home page, in order to change your location, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner first. You will then be taken into your profile page. Now, from your profile page, just tap on your profile and you will be taken into the profile edit menu. From this page, if you scroll down, you will be able to find your location option. Just tap on this and then based upon where you are in your location, you can tap on the go to current location option, and this will use your GPS from your phone to directly track your current location. After your current location has been set, you can go back and this location will immediately be applied to your account. Now, if you end up traveling after a certain time, then you can come back within this menu once again and then go to the same location option, and you will be able to tap on the go to current location to set up your new location once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your location on the Hinge dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.